This is what a complete contractor-grade apartment transformation looks like when you stop taking shortcuts and do every single step the right way. From moving massive furniture and totally encapsulating the space to fixing stubborn door frame cracks, patching deep wall anchor holes, power sanding, priming and painting. We are taking this entire apartment from battered and damaged to flawless high-end finish. If you want to master the full professional blueprint for a dust-free seamless wall renovation, stick around because we are covering the entire process from start to finish. 90% of high-end renovation happens before you even open a can of paint. We deal with the mold with this specialized liquid. We started by completely clearing our operational lanes. The oversized sectional sofa was disassembled and consolidated directly in the middle of the living room. Heavy items like a massive piano were carefully shifted away from the walls. Along with a large bookshelf unit moved out of the tight hallways. To shield the hardwood floors, we first apply low-tackle blue painter's tape along the baseboard as a safe buffer. Then, working with the assistant, we rolled out heavy-duty builder's cardboard paper, folded the edges tight to the corners, and sliced them cleanly with a utility knife. After securing the seams with the duct tape, we wrapped the stacked furniture in a thick plastic dropped cloth. With the room fully protected, we tackled the heavy wall damage, deep anchor holes and cutouts left behind from TV mounts and all fixtures. Simply slapping spackle into deep holes causes severe shrinkage and sunken spots. First, we extract all stuck plastic wall anchors, vacuum the concrete dust out the voids, and next the tile walls using pre-taped masking film. Next, we are up to those frustrating hairline cracks above the door frames and walls. Instead of making a giant dusty mess with a paper tape and a joint compound, we performed a surgical repair. We lightly scored the fracture line to clear away flaking paint, brush out the fine dust, and apply deep penetrating primer inside the microchannel to lock down the core. And coated the rough substrate with a deep penetrating acrylic primer. By the way, if you want to gear up with any of the heavy-duty floor paper, fiber compounds or special booster rollers used in this renovation, check out Amazon links in the description box and the top pinned comment below. To fill it, we used microfiber-reinforced compound, not a soft rubbery acrylic caulk. We packed the compound crosswise at 45-degree angles to force the structural fibers deep into the joint. Then strip the surface excess tight at 60-degree angles to keep sanding to absolute minimum. Then we packed the deep holes using a high-strength fiber-reinforced compound. Once the structural filler cured, we applied a micro-thin skim coat over the top to blend the patch seamlessly into the surrounding surface. Once all patches fully cured, it was time to surface leveling. Using a combination of hand sanding blocks and power drywall sander connected to industrial dust extraction vacuum, we feather every repair edge smooth. We thoroughly wipe down the walls with a microfiber duster. Then applied a full coat of deep penetrating acrylic primer across all repaired areas to equalize surface suction and prevent paint flashing. With the substrate fully sealed, we rolled 2 coats of premier interior paint using a professional extension pour system for effortless uniform coverage. The result is completely transformed, dust-free home with razor-sharp paint lines and rock-solid wall repairs. The cleanup protocol is where the most people ruin their work. When removing plastic from furniture, we carefully roll the sheeting inward to trap all airborne sanding dust inside the plastic. We unpeel the heavy floor paper and roll it into the tight cylinder, keeping all debris locked inside before packing everything into heavy-duty trash bags. If you found this full renovation masterclass helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your project questions, and subscribe for more real-world improvement secrets. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.